So, ito na nga. Ang pinakahihintay ng aking mga friends na i-post ko. So, here's our trip to Sarushima Island. So, yung port na to, nasa likod lang ng bahay namin. Diba? Mga 5 kembot lang. Ito yung loob nung bilihan ng ticket, yung building nila. So, yan. Nakapila na sila. Naglalabas na ng salapi at para makapagbayad na, diba? So, ayan. We're getting on the 9:30 a.m. flight. So, yung bayad is 2,000 yen per person. So, ayan, may mga araw naman kung saan papunta, diba? At yan yung itsura nung harap. So, dito tayo sa Shinmikasa Pier, magsa-start. And, hello, Kapitan! Umaandar na yung boat, diba? At yan, on your left, makikita nyo yung US Naval Base dito sa Yokosuka. Wow! Diba? Lapit lang. And then, dito naman sa right side, we're gonna see, yan na nga po, ang Sarushima Island. So, ang tawag nila dito sa island na to dati is Monkey Island. So, nung sinaunang panahon, sandamakmak daw yung mga unggoy dyan. Pero ngayon, wala nang tumatambay ng mga unggoy dyan. Pero ginawa na rin nila talagang tourist attraction. O, diba? So, after getting off the boat, we're gonna cross this bridge. And yun na nga, may arc na dyan ng Sarushima Island. And then, after crossing the bridge, ito na po tayo. So, may mga benches dito na kung saan pwede po tayong kumain or mag-rest. And there's the information center across. At you can ask if you wanna go on a tour. You just need to pay an extra fee for it. So for us, we just decided to walk on the island. And since yung tour is in Japanese, so it makes sense na kami-kami na lang, diba? So just to give you a little more trivia about it, aside from it being called Monkey Island, it is unique because it's the only natural island in Tokyo Bay. Despite its current uninhabited state, Sarushima has rich history as a former naval base during the Edo period and later served as a fort during the Russo-Japanese War. O diba? Ang bongga! And you know what's more bongga? Ang dali nitong puntahan. At ang dali lang rin niyang libutin. Kahit half day lang dito, kayang-kaya mo, day. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Gala na! Okay, bye!